If you are looking for a perfect kitchen appliance that can help you with all your wet and dry grinding needs, then this is the product for you. Hi guys, I'm Ankita and today we are going to be talking about the Amazon Basic 750 watt premium mixer grinder. Now if I talk about the body and design of the Amazon Basic mixer grinder, I can tell you one thing for sure, that this is a very beautiful product. It is got a very silky smooth finish. It's quite sturdy and heavy. That means it is going to serve your purpose. If you look in the front, it has a 3-speed knob and it has the locking mechanism right at the center. It also comes with air vents at the side so that your motor doesn't heat up. If we look at the bottom, it has 4 legs with rubber suction cups to make it very easy to store and to put it on any hard surface. It also has the auto reset button and an air vent below. Coming to the cord is quite long and it's quite flexible. It's very thick and it can go in any 3-pin socket. Now this is the first jar. It is a 1.5 liter liquidizing jar. It is made of high-grade stainless steel. It has a dome-shaped cover. If you look inside, it has a lotus-shaped blade. It has sturdy handle, very light, and it also has the locking mechanism underneath it. This is the second jar. It's actually a wet and dry grinding jar. It has a very nice sturdy plastic cover. It is made of high-grade stainless steel. It has a locking mechanism underneath it and has a 4-blade system inside. It also comes with a very handy and sturdy handle. Now this is the smallest jar. It is a 400 ml chutney jar. It comes with a high-grade plastic cover. It is made of stainless steel. It has a 2-blade system and a locking mechanism. All the products also come with a flat spatula. Now if I talk about the features of the product, I can tell you one thing for sure, that it is very convenient to use. Anybody can use it. All you need is a dedicated spot on a kitchen platform and you're good to go. Now one thing you need to remember, that it comes with a 1-year product warranty. That means anything that goes wrong with the product, you know which company to turn to. It has a 750 watt motor which makes all your grinding and mixing absolutely noiseless. And another very cute but very tiny feature about this particular product is the auto reset button that comes right at the bottom. This little red button actually helps to control the overload of the system. Now if I talk about the performance of the product, I can tell you one thing for sure, that this is going to last you for a very long time. All you need to do is not use it for more than 3 to 5 minutes in one go, especially when you're doing any sort of dry grinding. Once you finish mixing and grinding, remove the lid, wash it with running water and wipe it with a dry cloth before storing. So overall guys, I think the Amazon Basic 750 Premium Mixer Grinder is going to make an excellent addition in your family and it is going to serve all your kitchen needs every day.
Presenting the Amazon Basics 500 watt mixer and grinder with 3 jars suitable for everyday use. The 500 watt copper motor offers durable performance of leak-proof grinding and mixing. The food-grade SS304 stainless steel and multifunctional robust blades gives you super fine mixing and grinding results even at high temperatures. The product comes with 3 high-grade SS202 jars such as 1.25 liters of liquidizing jar, dry or wet jars of 1 liter and chutney jar of 0.4 liters. Food-grade rubber gaskets on the jar lids protect them from daily exposure to oil, chemicals and water, making them durable and long-lasting. This product is easy to operate and it comes with detachable parts which makes it easy to clean as well. This product features inbuilt motor overload protector is for users' safety. The Amazon Basic 500 watt mixer grinder comes with 1 year of limited warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Amazon Basics Premier Mixer Grinder in black and grey color. It has a powerful 750 watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding and blending functions in the kitchen. The copper motor ensures longevity and smooth, quiet operation. It is also equipped with motor overload protector that automatically turns off if the motor is overheating, thus increasing durability. This Amazon Basics mixer grinder comes with 3 multi-purpose steel jars and a juicer jar. The stainless steel jars have a capacity of 400 milliliter, 1 liter and 1.5 liter and can be used for liquidizing, dry or wet grinding and making chutneys. The capacity of the juicer jar is 1.5 liter and it comes with an internal mesh. The lids of the jars are equipped with food-grade silicone rubber gaskets for a leak-proof grinding and mixing experience. The high-grade 304 stainless steel blades have a long life and provide superfine mixing and grinding results even at higher temperatures. The mixer grinder comes with anti-skid legs that offer firm grip through suction, making it safer and more effective to use. It comes with a 3-speed selector knob with pulse function that lets you control the speed of the rotating blades depending upon your requirements. The mixer grinder is also ISI certified, making it safe to use. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.